So this here is a Dover elevator call button that has the CJ Anderson lever switch on the side. Today we'll be taking a look at how these buttons work, and I'll show you how to wire one up. So these buttons are really interesting. They're actually a lever and you press that, that's how you activate it. Now this is only a single call button. They actually do make entire car panels out of this. Opening this thing up is easy enough. In my case, there's only 2 of the 4 screws. Pretty simple. Take those off and then open the panel. So we'll take a look at the plate first. Obviously it's just the button, but on the back side we have the in-use light, which is held on with a couple of screws. So this will say in use when it lights up. And then we've got the little lever right here. So you can see the part that actually comes down and completes the circuit. Well, this doesn't complete the circuit. This presses the switch that completes the circuit. There's supposed to be a spring that springs it back, but you can see it's kind of stuck, so I have to manually push it back. Luckily, the button itself pushes this back. I'll try to oil this up and see if I can get this to work a little bit better. Looking here into the guts, we can see this pretty much looks just like the old CJ Anderson black buttons we looked at recently. And you can see here there's just a normal black button underneath the paddle. The paddle would actually hit that button, and then it pushes the metal piece down and completes the contact. So this is a very simple button. And the light up here is just a standard E12 base. So I bought some low voltage E12 bulbs, so we'll be using one of these for the project. And that makes installing the bulb very easy. Just take out the old one, which actually was burned out, and put in a new one. So in my case, I'm going to be using a 9-volt battery, but you can use whatever you want. You'll have 4 wires, well at least I have 4 here. Your 2 for the switch and your 2 for the lamp socket. This is just like any other just simple switch. You will connect your positive to one end of the switch, connect the other end of the switch to one end of the lamp socket, and then connect the other end of the lamp socket to the negative of your battery. So now it's all wired up, and giving it a press, you can see it lights up and it looks really nice. So that's it for this project video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you learned something from it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.